Husqvarna FC 450 heritage. Built upon the proven technical platform of the 2023 range, the heritage models are modern, competition-focused machines with a vintage-style livery. The distinctive new look was inspired by the brand's racing design from 1983, and enhanced further with black anodized Excel rims to create an understated and exclusive new appearance. Characterized by the unique look and matching blue seat cover, the heritage models pay homage to the strong Swedish roots of Husqvarna motorcycles. Powerful engine. The FC 450 engine benefits from advanced engineering techniques to deliver maximum performance. Lightweight frame. The proven chromium molybdenum steel frame is refined for 2023. A new shock mounting, which is no longer connected to the main tube, significantly improves the anti-squat behavior of the chassis. WPX-ACT front suspension. The 48mm split air forks now offer improved bottoming resistance thanks to a new hydrostop. Hydraulic brakes. The highest level of quality is guaranteed with class-leading Brembo calipers made from single pieces of aluminium for strength at the lowest possible weight. Pro-taper handlebar and bar pad. Developed between Husqvarna motorcycles and leading handlebar manufacturer Pro-taper, the exclusive bend offers superior comfort, class-leading strength, and fatigue resistance at the lowest possible weight.